see what we got here. After 2 weeks of holiday off to Sabah and Sarawak, I'm back in Penang. I arrived Penang late last night, about 11 p.m. And today is Tuesday morning with slight drizzle. Let's see. Let's check. Okay. See, got any other fruits? This is type of pumpkin, and it can crawl. You can let it crawl on the ground. The reason why I call pandan or screw pine, because of this particular smell that looks similar to pandan leaf. Okay, last time woo, a big one. This is good. Turns out good. Is it time to pluck yet? Only wait to see the tendril is dry, but I think I shouldn't wait. Sound is good. Maybe of all. The thing about this plant is that the female flower blooms earlier than the male flower, so it's weird. An example of female flower is like this. I don't think this is pollinated. Yeah, it has a flower on top like a plump body. You can recognize it's a female, you see. Female flower. Show you what's male flower look like. It's like this. It looks small, but the flower is actually very, very big. This is not bloomed yet. Okay. Let's check. There's one more there and another there. You have 3. I'm pretty happy already. This one I think didn't work out. It's just this size. Maybe it didn't grow. There was supposed to be one there. I think probably got plucked off already. Oh no, here, up here. Yeah, ready to pluck. Seem yellowish. I don't know, I have to open one out and see. And then there's one. Oh, 2 more here. Altogether I have 5. Okay, good. Here, this one not wrapped with newspaper. Okay, I'll be back again when I open one of this out. Harvest. Right. Yeah. I want more, but it's in the drain. Look. I throw into the drain. I see if Damien will come and help me with this one. Come. Oh, looks so bare. Here's my Prince Savior. Always come to my help. Huh? Oh, why? Why are they here?
Why are you here then? Don't ask me why I'm here. Why are you here? You work the running stuff. I can book the car from 11 to 2.
Okay.
Where do you go?
There in the middle. Just before the bushes. Here.
Where? Here?
Here. Right where I'm standing here. Careful, ah. Look up. No, got.
Where? Here? Inside here?
Yeah. The netting.
Oh, okay. Yes.
How? You didn't bring anything, oh. Hey, don't step on that thing you see it broke.
I know. I'm not stepping
How
on
are
it.
you gonna use your feet to pick it up? Oi.
Just step in.
But a lot of things in the drain.
Nothing in the drain.
It doesn't go through the fence. Oi. Okay. Yeah.
Why couldn't you do it?
Huh?
Why couldn't you do it?
Because I'm not.
I thought you were someone that.
I.
Something.
No lah. Of course, the precious pumpkin lah.
Hey, better give one to Miss Nana.
With Miss Tan here, I don't know if she makan it.
The pumpkin.
She makan or not. Why you walk like you are a monkey?
My knee hurts.
Oh, okay. Yang. Okay, that's all. I don't think you want to see me do cleaning. Here, my stash. The blessed people with it.
Hey, I get the car at 11 now.
Okay. What's the time now?
Almost 10 o'clock. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Get the car. We check everything in the back and go home. Then we can go to the post office to drop stuff off.
Yeah, just opening this thing. So it's quite heavy eh. I need to weigh them. Yeah, lazy to go back to my desk. It's so messy.
You still need to go to.
Did you see my desk?
Yeah, you see my desk?
I'm becoming like you eh. Stash all the stuff on my desk. The
Of course,
desk.
ma. There's nothing else, nothing where else to go. We're gonna stash it in.
It's quite wet. I think because of the rain this morning. You sure Miss Tan or which one should I give to Miss Tan?
Up to you. You wanna
She
give her?
makan one. No, she makan. Yeah. One side orange, one side green.
Give her that one or this one, or give the other one.
I don't know how to see if it's ripe or not. This one I know is the earliest. This one is the oldest one. The first pumpkin. Okay. Bye bye. Smells so good.